Amazing snacks. Let's eat. Very sweet. Sweet corn. Steamed sweet corn. Wow. Very delicious with a hot coffee. Guys, yan. So, let's eat. Kain po tayo, guys. Medyo mainit-init po, guys. Wow, very sweet. Nakakahap. Matamis kasi fresh. Ang dami ko work. Super cold outside and very windy. I'm in Jordan. Kahit mahal dito yung corn sa abroad, bibili ako. Because one of my favorite. Love you all.